Okay, so you're welcome to class. So today we're looking at for each loop and typed callback in TypeScript. Sorry, TypeScript. Okay, so what is the for each loop? So for each is an array method. The for each loop is an array method used to loop through each element in an array. Let's say we have an array now. We write it for each method to perform a particular action or a function on each member of the array. And I want you to note about the for each loop is that it has what we call a callback inside. So what's a callback? A callback, a callback is a function. A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function. Don't forget the for each itself is an inbuilt function. So we have a function passed inside of an inbuilt function. We can call that function a callback function. And the for each loop is an example of a function that has a callback function in it. All right, so let's go ahead and just this is the syntax for the for each loop here. Okay, so we come here. This is like the syntax. Say array dot for each. So this is the function itself. But instead of this for each for each for a loop function, in this function it has what we call a callback. Let's say the callback is an arrow function. So perfect. So this is exactly so we come here. Okay, code block to run, block to run. So here we can have the parameters. So parameters. Let's say like index. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. All right, so let's go ahead and create an array of names. You can say an array of fruit. You can say const fruits array. So if we want to give this a type of string, we say okay, this is of string type actually. All right, is equal to we now have an array here. We say apple, guava. Sorry, this is string guava, mango, um, orange, orange. What else? We say banana, banana. So this is example of an array. So for what to rotate this array, we no, I've typed it here. This is TypeScript. This array will receive only a string. So we come and say, okay, I want to add a number here. It's not going to work. All right, it's not going to work like that. So let's take note. So let's look through this array, trying to implement. So we'll come here. We'll have let's look through the array. So I want to look through the array and perform a particular function on each item in the array. We'll come here. We'll say what's the array? Fruit array dot for each. So come and say this is for each. So it has a callback function inside. Good, perfect. You come and say it has a parameter. The first parameter I put is what to represent each of the item, which is fruit. To represent each of the item, we can add maybe index to show the index number or whatever. So but first of all, this fruit can be any word or whatever, any word it is. But just forget this fruit is representing each item in this array. So if we call up this fruit now, we are talking about each item in the array. Then this index is just to showcase the index position in which each item is occupied. So come and say, okay, console.log here. You say console.log, say, okay, this, so I'm going to, is delicious. Just a sentence we're looking, so this is it. All right, so let's run this on our browser and see. So we are compiling, we're compiling. So we go to our browser where we have this log reload. See that the apple is delicious, the guava is delicious. It has performed a particular action on each item in this array. All right. Perform a particular action on this item. Let's say we want it to have the index number. So, okay, the fruit at index position of, you can introduce the index which you have as a parameter already. Index is delicious. Is delicious. So good. We come here, compile it again. So go here, reload here. See, upper and index position of 0. You see, we have this here. So the for each loop is used to perform a particular action on each item in the array. Perform action on each item in the array. So let's look at type callbacks in TypeScript. Let's say now I want to make sure that the callbacks are typed. So typed callbacks in TypeScript. Okay, let's go ahead. So go ahead, let's say we have this full type. So let names be equal to, let's say we have let names be equal to manner, comma Joseph, comma Jacob. Yeah, so we have this here. Manner Joseph, comma Jacob. So you can assign this to be a string. We say okay, give it a type and say okay, string. You can be able to add any other thing here like this, all right? So you still want to type this, all right? So here by typing it means that we are typing the parameters inside of the array. So come and say okay, names dot array dot for each actually dot for each. Perfect. So here since here we can now say okay. So let me make this come and say okay. We're calling the name here. So we'll say name will be a string, comma. So that what we are typing what is in the parameters. All right. Name is a string here. We say index is a number. So we are in the callback, we are typing the parameters seen inside of the callback. Do you get it? All right. And also you can even determine you are typing the outcome. We type also the outcome. So come and say, okay, since this is say okay, since this we are console logging, so this will return void because we are console logging as the outcome. So come and have void here, void like this. All right, so come here, say okay, console.log. Okay, so my name is, so call the name here, representing each item there. I occupy an index position of, so call the index here now. Don't forget these are typed index. Perfect. Typed. All right. These are typed. So if we come and run this on about, let's see that my name is Emmanuel and I occupy the position of 0. You get it? So this has looped successfully. This is an example of full typed callback. All right. All the parameters involved are typed. All right. Thank you very much and see you some other time.